Every woman carries a story of strength, resilience, sacrifice, and love. Across generations and from different walks of life, women continue to shape families, communities, and the world around them. This Women's Month, we ask women from different backgrounds one simple but meaningful question: what is the essence of being a woman? Through their voices, we hear their experiences, their struggles, and the values that define womanhood. Here are their stories.
A woman is a symbol of strength, love, and resilience. Dili kay tig-atiman lang, no? Sa pamilya. O, syempre, ang babae, dili lang usa ka naanang, no? Nga sunod-sunuran. Kung dili ang usa ka babae, usa ka leader, usa ka inspirasyon, o kusog sa pamilya, o sa atong pinalanggang enchanting hinatuan. Daghang salamat.
For me, the essence of being a woman is living with the grace and strength rooted in God. It is enduring, nurturing, and loving deeply.
A woman rises beyond labels. She's not defined by gender alone, but by the courage to live on her own terms. And of course, the strength to never settle for less than she deserves.
The essence of a woman isn't a single trait. It is a powerful blend of qualities that shape families, communities, and history. No? It's her strength and resilience, nurturing and compassion, wisdom, influence, and the courage to transform society, and her identity and diversity. That is the essence of a woman.
Di kay magpaluya-luya. Kay kung unhong ka ng mga utaw, at least aray ikabugang mo ikan makuan. Amayan gusto ko na ang bubay ang mugay diyan. Na di kay kita magpaluya. Amura yan.
Matikang magmahal, mag-aruga sa anak, yan, respetado, o kaya ang tanan ng mga problema. Yeah. That's it.
The essence of a woman, it's being able to adopt despite and in spite the difficulties in life. And of course, a woman is strength. I can say because as somebody who went through a lot, I was able to rise up despite what happened.
The essence of being a woman is to be compassionate and should have high emotional intelligence so you could balance life, whether it be good or bad, and it applies not only to family but also at work. Even under stress, we can manage to address whatever challenges that you will have, be it for the better or for the not so good things that will come into our life. And a woman should be resilient, resilient to be able to become a strong woman, especially during challenges, especially when we have problems in families and even at the workplace. So we can be healthy always, not only physically, but also mentally. I think that would be all for a woman who is of good essence. So thank you very much.
Ilaw ng tahanan, ang babae, subdanan sa mga kababaihan.
Rise up despite the challenges.
A woman is a
Gikan pa sa Genesis na yaan ang helper o yaan ang kalipay isa lang man na fully complete ang man tungod sa usa ka woman. So mo yan, ma'am.
Yes. Responsable ka sa kanmo kaugalingon o sa anak mo na maedukar mo. Tapos yang financial o emotional kinahanglan kan mo yan i-handle. Being pretty always. Yan lang.
Para sa kuha, sa isa ka babae, buhaton jud ako ang tanan para sa ko ang anak. O dili pod pwede nga sa isa ka babae dili diya mabuhat kung unsa man ang bulahaton sa lalaki. Tungod kay ako isa ka single. Pag edad ay pag 1 year old sa kong anak, sa basakan jud ko. Buntag, mulakaw.
Nya?
Wali ko magpatutoy sa akong anak. Kay moro magay akong pangita sa una ma'am sa wala pa ko sa barangay. Dahil karon thank you so much sa kang Mayor Cute. Kaya ko nagsugod na ingon-alin ako. Munang bisan unsay bato sa kuha tungod sa akong trabaho pinanggad yun ako. Para din sa kong anak. Wala ko ilaing yun na anak ko sa akong anak.
A woman is full of sacrifices. Ang pagiging ina ay simbolo ng pagsasakripisyo sa pamilya. Mahalin tulad na lang natin sa mga OFW. Sobrang sakripisyo nila sa ibang bansa. Para lang sa pamilya, para maiyahon sa kahirapan at matustusan ang pangangailangan ng mga. Ilan.
Thank you.
Madiskarte.
Madiskarte.
Yes. Tapos, yung na siya hunahuna sa iyong future ba?
Hello, happy Women's Month. I am Attorney Emilde S. Viola from ADSB Law Office here in Hinatuk.
I just have one question for you.
Okay.
What is the essence of a woman?
For me, the essence of a woman is her ownership in her own life. She can be who she wants to be, what she wants to be, and she can decide how and when to get there. It's her life, her rule, and her power.
Thank you.
The essence of being a woman supports other women. Above all, just be yourself.
Especially gid sa anak. Kaya tuman gay muhugot. And then, a true friend sa partner. Diba, Doy?
As a woman and as a mother, I think that ang isip ko sa pagka-mama is very selfless. And nurturing also. I can say nga selfless kay you put on good kanang sa family, mga anak, sila sa good first. Ikaw na good ang last. No? So, tanan hardship, sacrifice, just to keep the family together, and also kanang bisag wala na mabilin sa imo, bisag sa mga ginagmay lang, bisag sa sudan may mo naman kang busog na po, pero imo na palagi na dapat yung mga anak na wala pa kakaon, and then bisag masakitan na ka may mga mahitabo, especially sa family, labi na kami nga evolving na kayo ang kalibutan kanay makasala sa imo.
Ang babae, para maayo kita yung kasaligin kita sa atong bana na bilang isang inahan pod gagawin tanan, gagawin ang lahat para sa mga anak. Di baling wala si mama, basta mahimo na ako para sa akong mga anak. Diba? That's all.
Ikaw gid bubay, makigwisog ka gid na bubay. Ikaw, paglaban mo gid ng pagkabubay mo, dili na tuman na kay bubay ka, mahuyang, ginanglan gayud na laban. Biskan na ni kalisod laban lang.
Trabahoon mo ang pagkabubay sa suod sa panimalay, maglubad, maghinlo, manlabatanan, magringlo ng bana, pagkaon, mga anak, karinglohon. Nya, pag namatay mong bana, ikaw kay bubay, isa ka ginikanan, o naman kamot kagin pag-ariglo sa mong mga anak na dili ni mo ipanghatag sa kabaybayan kung ato sila mga on. Kinahanglan ikaw na inahan na bubay, maningkamot ka kayo ng trabaho,
nang matarong para ang imong mga anak mabuhi nimo sa imuha lang kaugalingong paningkamot. Yan ako ang bubay na pagkabuhay ko na inahan. Kaya ako isa na agi man ko na wala naman ko iba na. So hantod karon naning kamot para mabuhi ang kong pamilya na ako lang inahan.
Inatay ikaw gibali. Inatay.
Yan.
Para na ako, a woman should not be limited sa unsa may i-define sa iya by the society. It should be, she can be courageous, she can be independent, she can be whatever she wanted to be as long as mauna iyahang i-choose sa iyang self, nga ingun ana siya, and as long as nga mauna iyahang pananaw nga purpose in life para niya. So, she can be.
Number one, to carry herself as a woman. By what means? Of course, pride being a woman. She has to take care of the family. From the start of husband, hubby, children, and every household chores. Obligations in the family like monetary, the properties, and everything in the society, neighborhood. What else as a woman? Of course, must be professional. Not only in professional caring of children, but all essence. Of course, in profession, knowledge, yes, whatever profession she belongs, whatever profession or technical work that she must be, that must be considered into her mind, in her heart, and everything. In the 6 dimensions of personality, like physical, mental, emotional, social, spiritual, and moral. These are very important dynamics of a person. What else? Okay? These 6 dimensions are very important. For example, physical. At least a woman must know how to carry herself to be physically fit. Because the society is looking at her. Number 2, mental. She must be mentally healthy. Yes, she must be able to put action whatever she thinks critically, strategic thinking, planning, must know how to innovate something that is fits into the 21st century. Commitment to communication, innovation, decision making. What else? Life career skills, must be research oriented. Everything in the 21st century, especially in the global citizenship. Ganyan. And emotionally, of course, she must know how to control herself up in a decent way. Then number 3, social, must be able to interact with the society. Not minding if the poor or rich. Treat people as individuals. 3, spiritual. At least people have different or various religions. Thinking of what religion that she belongs, she must have to respect it. And the last one, morally. A woman must be morally fit. Not only in the profession, but everything morally, combining with ethics. Morally, a woman, for example, married, must not be mingled with man, married or non-married. Because she is. Kasi this is moral eh. She must know how to fit herself. Not acting as immorally. Especially professionals. Professionals who might be thinking negative side. Immorally or just what? Abnormals. They must think critically. Strategically. Yes. And they have to possess good morals and right conduct. That's it.
What is your message sa mga kababaihan sa hinatuan?
Okay, my message to everybody, women, take care of yourself. And you must know the importance of your, yourself, the virtue of quality standards in living, the quality standards of morals. What else? The beauty of one, everybody is beautiful. But if she does not take that into good things, morally accepting the rules, the good manners and right conduct of women, I think that is useless.
Okay, what is the essence of being a woman? So para ka na ako adunay tulo ka aspeto nga manindot para sa usa ka babae. First, ang usa ka babae is very special because we give birth. We bore a child o nasayod kita nga dili sayon para sa usa ka babae nga mahimong inahan, nga mahimong responsable para sa pag-atiman sa iyang pamilya. And ikaduha, by nature, ang usa ka babae, usa ka mapinanggaon, no? We took care of our family, not just our husbands, but we also took care of our children. We make sure nga matagaan o maayo nga kinabuhi ang atong mga anak. Ay katulo, we are resilient. We are strong and independent woman. So, dili sayon ang role sa usa ka babae. Daghan kaayo og mga responsibilidad, not just as a wife, as a mother, but we also have a responsibility to our community. And maukan na ang usa ka kinaiya nga nakapa-espesyal sa usa ka babae kay we are very responsible to balance our time. We make sure na our responsibilities sa atong pamilya, sa community, o sa atong mga personal usab nga mga panginahanglan. I also admire women nga kanang dili lamang responsible sulod sa ilang pamilya, pero they are also responsible sa pag-involve sa community, no? Nga makaserbisyo, dili lamang maserbisyuhan ang kaugalingon pamilya, kundi makaserbisyo usab dito sa isig katao o sa atong komunidad. So mo kana nga ako saludo gid ko sa mga babae kay ang usa ka babae, usa ka multitasking, no? Labi na katong mga career woman, dili lamang sila responsible sa sulod sa panimalay, kundi responsible usab diha sa komunidad. I am so grateful na nahimo akong usa ka babae nga maayo, mapinanggaon, mahigugmaon, dili lamang para sa akong pamilya, kundi para usab sa akong isig katao. So, I extend my warmest appreciation sa tanan mga kababayan. Happy Women's Month celebration to each and everyone. God bless.